Hey everybody, it's Mike at Wiltrack Construction. Today we're going to show you how to solder some pipes and cap them off, because during demolition sometimes we hit a roadblock and a lot of times we've got to do things to make the job, to keep the job moving. So we're going to start. First we're going to take the mat gas and we're going to heat up the existing pipe so we can get the existing fitting off. All right, now that you get the existing fitting off, we're gonna take our cleaning brush, clean the 1/2 inch pipe on the outside. Take your new cap, and we'll clean the inside of that with our inside cleaner tool. Then we'll grab some flux. And the reason why we use a flux is that's what actually gets the solder to stick to the copper, or else if you don't use flux, it won't adhere. So we'll tap back on. Use my wrench hammer. Then you reheat up the pipe so you get it pretty piping hot all the way around, and then we'll fill it up with our solder. And just like that, we cap and solder the pipe. Stay tuned for our next trick.